guys, I'm so excited to teach you guys a super quick, easy lunch recipe. Zucchini linguine, totally healthy, something you can do at your office, something you can do at home real quick, and it takes just a few minutes. So let's get started. So we're going to start by using our veggie strip maker and stripping a zucchini just for you. Super quick and easy. You just go up and down. Now it's shooting everywhere. And you try and just kind of avoid the seeds if you want. Just go up and down, grate your zucchini. Oops. You can see one little zucchini will go a long way. Now you can make this with pasta if you want, but this is just a healthier alternative. So look at this little zucchini and how much you got out of it, all right? So we're going to use our microwave pasta cooker. We're gonna take the lid off, and it's a great little pasta bowl too. And you just throw your zucchini in here. And then any favorite sauce that you have, about half a cup to a cup, depending on how saucy you like it, all right? So you can have your homemade, or you can use, your favorite jar. And then we're gonna add a little bit of cheese, some Parmesan, and put the lid on so the lid prevents it from like spilling, boiling over, and it's a great tool for mac and cheese too. And this is gonna go in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes, okay? All right, so this was 1.5 minutes in the microwave. We're gonna take it out, just take this off, and you can see that it's all nice and hot, nice and melted. The cheese is melted. The zucchini really just takes 1.5 minutes because you still want it to have a little bit of bite. And then your lunch is done. You can add as much cheese as you want. So let's try it and see how it is. So good.